When the display is turned on, it is possible to view the current installed software version. In case it is necessary to update the software of the IFM CR1087 display, 2 versions compatible with the possible firmware configurations of its hardware are sent. To view the firmware number, proceed as follows. When the display is turned on, hold down the 2 buttons on the left. Use the Select button to select system information and confirm with the Enter button. Various data will now be displayed, including the firmware indicated by the arrow. Load only the software with the .bup extension into an empty USB stick. With the display off and after removing the rear cover, insert the USB stick into the appropriate port. Turn on the display by holding down the 2 buttons on the left. When turning on, select the setup line with the Enter button, then select and activate the Actions line. At this point, to perform the installation, press the Start button. Once the installation is complete, a reset is requested with the Reboot button. When turned back on, the display will return to normal after a few seconds. Now let's repeat the previous actions trying to install a software that is not compatible with the display firmware. As you can see, loading the software contained in the USB stick cannot be done.